Getting into an accident is something no one ever plans for. One moment you're on your way to work, next you're picking up your kids or just running errands, and life changes. The sound of the impact, the shock, the frustration, the thought that runs through your head, what now? In those moments, you're not just worried about your car, you're worried about your life being interrupted, about safety, and about whether things will ever feel normal again. And that's why the decision of where you take your BMW after an accident is so important, because this isn't just about fixing a dent or matching paint, it's about restoring peace of mind. Here at BMW West Houston Certified Body Shop, that's exactly what we do. We don't just repair cars, we restore BMWs to the standards they were built with. Every repair here is guided by the same precision and craftsmanship that went into building your BMW in the first place. This isn't a generic body shop where one-size-fits-all repairs are done on every make and model. This is a BMW certified, and that means something. It means every tool, every part, every technician is aligned with the exact standards of BMW engineering. Let's talk about those standards. First, the parts. We use mostly genuine BMW parts, the same ones your car rolled off the line with. In rare cases when insurance guidelines require otherwise, we still ensure every part meets BMW high standards for fit, safety, and performance. Next, the people. Our technicians aren't just experienced, they're BMW certified. That means years of training, rigorous testing, and ongoing education to keep up with the latest BMW technology. Every repair method they use is approved by BMW. Every calibration is done with BMW's diagnostic equipment, and that training and precision show in every finished repair. Now let's talk about what you don't see, because the truth is, the most important parts of a collision repair are often invisible. Advanced driver assistance systems, the sensors, the cameras, the radars that help keep you safe, and all need to be recalibrated after a collision. Without it, your car may look perfect but fail to protect you in the moment you need it most. That's why we go beyond the surface. We don't just repair what you can see, we restore the hidden systems that make your BMW what it is. And while all of this is happening, we don't forget about you, because being in an accident is stressful enough without worrying about the repair process. From the moment you walk through our doors, our team takes the weight off your shoulders. We work directly with your insurance provider. We keep you updated every step of the way. We set clear expectations so you're never left wondering what's happening or when you'll get your car back. We've seen the difference this makes. We've seen customers walk in stressed, frustrated, and unsure, and walk out relieved, confident and grateful. We've seen cars that came in badly damaged leave looking and driving like nothing ever happened. And we've seen how the right repair not only restores a BMW, but restores a driver's confidence in every drive that follows. This is about more than fixing cars. It's about trust, it's about safety, it's about protecting your investment, your family, and your peace of mind. So if you ever find yourself in the unfortunate position of needing collision repair, remember this: you have a choice. You don't have to settle for generic parts or uncertified methods. You can choose certified, you can choose genuine, you can choose the team that knows BMW inside and out. At BMW West Houston Certified Body Shop, we don't just repair vehicles, we restore performance, safety, peace of mind, and most importantly, we restore your confidence every time.